Hello friends, we are from group 3. In this time, we're gonna talking about the basic concept of PBB. Our group are consist by me, Irene Anggita, and my partner, Makyar Hadi. So, for the first material, let's talk about the definition of PBB. What is the PBB? PBB is a mandatory levy taken by the government on the building used as a residence, company, and small or medium business actor. The amount of each levy is different. PBB has a material properties, so the subject in is not count as a tax. PBB only calculate the size and the area of the building, not including the people and object in it. And the second is talk about the subject and object PBB. The first is subject PBB. The subject are individual and business entity that actually have the following. The first is have right to the land. The second is have benefit from the land. The third is own buildings. The fourth is master the building. And the last is get benefit for the building. And the object PBB is the first land, the surface of the earth, which include the land and the ocean as well as the body of the earth underneath. Some concrete examples are garden, rice field, lane, field, yard, and mines. And the second is buildings, construction of buildings that are made and embedded in the earth, such as residential houses, business building, high-rise building, shopping center, hotels. However, there are several objects that are not counted by the tax. They are deliberately building for the public interest, the final resting place, building as the function of the natural forest, and the last is as the representative place for international organization.
Thank you, Irene, for the explanation. So now let's talk about land and building tax rates. The land and building tax rate that has been in effect since the past to the present is still the same, which is 0.5%. After knowing what is land and building tax, we also need to know the basis for the imposition of PBB that must be paid. The basis for imposition of PBB is NJOP or sales value of tax object, which will be multiplied by the tax rate. NJOP is the average price or market price of land buying and selling transaction. In this case, the tax object are land and buildings. NJOP is usually set annually by the Minister of Finance. NJOP of each region is different. What is NJKP? NJKP is the basis for calculating PBB. NJKP is also known as the assessment value or the selling value of the object to be included in the calculation of tax payable. This means that NJKP is part of the NJOP. So, the basis for calculating PBB is the multiplication of the rate of 0.5% with NJKP, while NJKP is obtained by 20% from NJOP. For example, it's known that the NJOP of a tax object is 2 million. So, how much is the PBB? So, the first step, we must know the NJKP first, then the NJKP of 20% multiplied by 2 million equal 400,000. Then just calculate the PBB. 0.5% multiplied by 400,000 equals 2,000. This is a simple example. Okay, now I want to explain about PBB sector. In managing PBB P2, taxpayer will have direct contact with tax official in their respective regions because PBB P2 is one of the objects of regional taxes. The object of the rural and urban PBB are land and buildings that are owned, controlled, and utilized by private persons or entities, except for areas used for plantation, forestry, and mining business activities. The definition of Earth is the surface of the Earth and the body of the Earth in the interior as well as the sea in the Aegean Sea. Meanwhile, the definition of building is a technical construction that is permanently planned or affixed to land and inland waters or sea. The subject of rural and urban PBB is an individual or entity that actually has a right to the land and get benefit from the land and owning buildings and control the buildings or benefit from the buildings. The next is land and building tax in the plantation, forestry, and mining sector. PBB P3 is one of the tax objects handled by the central government, although previously it was a regional tax object. First, plantation sector. Tax object for the plantation sector are tax object for land and buildings which are used for plantation business activities that are granted plantation business right. Second is forestry sector. The object of forestry PBB tax is land and buildings used for forestry business activities granted forest concession rights. Land tax object in the forestry sector consists of productive areas, unproductive areas, emplacement areas, and other areas. And the third is mining sector. Imposition of land and building tax in the mining sector for mineral and coal mining regulate. The PBB for mineral and coal is PBB on land or building located in areas used for mineral and coal mining activities. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for your attention.